Hello everyone again and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make still an unboxing Pokemon cards, okay, before the season ends, okay, and then also before the season ends. So okay, and this gonna start up, okay. Okay, without further ado, we're gonna start unpacking of Pokemon cards here in my channel, okay. Gonna start it up. Okay, so I got some three mini booster box and also one silver tempest. Okay, this is new. This is a new silver from the Sword and Shield silver tempest VIP. So in it okay, and then here you go. We're gonna go and we have some Scarlet and Violet. We have some Crown Zenith and also again a Scarlet Violet. So let's gonna start it up. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the turn down the lights, and then we're gonna start unpacking. Okay, so in here we have some Samurott, okay, Hoopa, Riolu, Adon Spurs, Duraludon, and okay, and we have some Gardenia's Vigor, Lunatone, oh, Kyogre, okay, Drapion, oh, Alipion V-Star, okay, but I already have this one, okay, and a Comfy, okay, Wailord, Miltank, okay, I have that one also, and T, Mewtwo V-Star, oh, a Volcarona, I have that one also, Pochiana, Dioxys V-Star, I think I already have this, okay, okay, and then a Voltorb, Mr. Mime, Galarian Mr. Mime, okay, and then a Snorunt, Zeraora V-Star, okay, and then, oh, I also have this already, I also have this, and then let's gonna take that, what is that, so, I'm gonna take it, and, okay, it's a fire, I think it's a fire type, okay, I think it's a fire type, so, yes, it's a, oh, okay, what is this, oops, whoa, I've got another Charizard V-Star and a reverse holo, wow, that was nice, okay, I've got two, I have two, or I've got two Charizard V-Star reverse holo, oh, I am looking for the Charizard V, okay, Charizard V for this one also, I'm still looking for that one, okay, that was a nice pick over there, so didn't expect it, I didn't expect that one also, okay, expect that one, and what is this, okay, I don't know what is that one, so let's gonna, okay, here it goes, Zacian, Corfish, Carnivine, Bellossom, Duraludon VMAX, okay, Full Art, then a Calyrex, Ditto, oh, a Radiant Charizard, okay, and a Salazar, and Eevee, okay, Zeraora VMAX, I already have that, Oricorio, Electric, Bidoof, Luxury, Latias, okay, and we have some Samurott again, okay, Hoopa, Riolu, Adon Spurs, and Duraludon VMAX, and we have some Swablu, okay, full art, and then a Zoroark, Hisuian Zoroark V-Star, so let's gonna check what is this one, okay, let's gonna check, and a Steel type Pokemon, okay, this one is a Steel type, so, what, okay, interesting, whoa, as a Zamagenta, whoa, I think I don't have this one. I think I don't have this. Okay. Okay. Sa try kong hanapin yan. Okay. Try kong hanapin kung meron ba ako niyan. Kung wala, okay, bago ko ito. So, kung may I think wala akong VMAX nito eh. So, I think I don't have a VMAX. Okay, that one is a nice one over there. So, V, the magenta V, okay. Then, there it goes. Let's go to this one, Crown Zenith. Okay, let's go to the Crown Zenith. So, I think the last, okay, there it goes. Oh, this is the Crown Zenith, but I think this is full of, no way. So, hindi ko in-expect, okay. Ito pala yung Crown Zenith ay parang mga ano siya, parang mga reverse holo or holographic, I think. So, we have some file ito. So, dyan muna, okay. Okay, meron yes, Turtonator, okay. What? A Helios Spray AX. Whoa, nice one over there. Yeah, okay. That is one heck of a fucking. Whoa. What? Greninja. Ash Greninja. Ash Greninja GX. Oh. Come on. What? Oh no. Genesec EX. Zygarde EX. Azelf GX. Decidueye. Oh no way. Decidueye EX. Zygarde GX. Solgaleo. What? Giratina EX. What? Double Giratina EX. No way. Okay. Turtonator GX. Rayquaza EX. Oh, come on. Thunderous. Oh no. Tauros. What? This? Yeah, like a Rock GX. Jolteon EX. Lunala EX. Mewtwo EX. Oh, Dragonite EX. Lapras GX. Delphox EX. Oh, Beedrill EX. And Zekrom. Oh my god. This is a one heck of a Crown Zenith. Oh no, that's this one. Okay, let's gonna go back. I'm gonna have a go back. Okay. Zekrom EX, Beedrill EX, Delphox EX, Lapras GX, okay, Dragonite EX, Mewtwo EX, Lunala GX, Jolteon EX, Lycanroc GX, Tauros EX, Thundurus EX, Rayquaza EX, Turtonator GX, Giratina EX, in another style, Giratina EX, Solgaleo EX, Zygarde GX, Decidueye EX, Azelf, Zygarde, Genesect, Ash Greninja GX. Wow, nice one. Helios Spray and a Turtonator. Wow, amazing, awesome. I didn't expect that to happen. Okay. And let's go on to the last one. This is a Silver Tempest, and then okay, a Silver Tempest. Okay, that was a hard. I didn't expect that to be happen. Okay, before the season end. Okay, I didn't expect that to happen before this season end. So this one is gonna be edited edited today and also uploaded. So same day edit in vlog. Okay, same day. Let's just go to that. Same day edit and vlog. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, another nice one. Cedric VMAX. Portuguese. Okay, Malamar, Morpeko, Lapras, Malamar VMAX, Intelion, Dragapult, and Sonia. So, still in a holographic. I don't know if it is reverse or hollow or semi-hollow. So, okay, that was the last one. So, trainer Sonia. Okay, Dragapult, I already have this. And Intelion, I already have. Okay. Okay, so okay, and that was the hottest pull. That was the hottest pull. So okay, you didn't expect that it to be happen. Okay, I didn't expect that to be happen. So full of GX and AX, and also full of EX and GX, right? So full of GX and AX. So I gonna okay the okay, and then go to that one. Okay, I still have to compile this one also. Okay, I still have to compile this. Okay, uh, okay, there you have it. There you have it. So nice one, nice pick over there. So we have some V-Star. Okay, bunch of V-Star, Lithium, Mewtwo, Deoxys, Zero Aura, and Hisuian Zero Arc right there. And we have some full art. Okay, again we have some full arts. And we have some full arts. Okay, and then let's go to this one. Okay, this one right here. This one, another Charizard V-Star in a reverse hollow. And this one right here also as a magenta V. No, I think I already have this one. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. Okay, so okay, that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future video here on my channel. So thank you so much for watching.